Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best clogged drain solution hair remover tool available right now. The 35.5-inch drain clog remover, 25-inch drain snake hair removers, and cleaning brush combo set. Whether you're dealing with stubborn clogs in your toilet, kitchen sink, bathroom tub, or sewer lines, this 9-piece tool set is about to become your go-to solution for all things drain related. Let's dive into what makes this tool set so effective. The highlight of the set is the 35.5-inch metal clog remover. This tool features an extendable claw at the top, perfect for grabbing and pulling out deep-set hair and debris from your pipes. Alongside it, you get 6 25-inch plastic drain snakes with built-in tiny hook teeth. These are designed to latch onto hair and gunk effortlessly and pull them out with minimal effort. To complete the set, there are 2 flexible, durable cleaning brushes ideal for scrubbing the inner walls of your pipes, removing buildup, and ensuring your drains stay clean long after the clog is gone. This combination gives you an all-in-one cleaning, grabbing, and maintenance package. What sets this kit apart is the build quality. The plastic snakes are made from high-quality, flexible PP material. That makes them strong yet bendable enough to reach tricky corners in your pipes. The metal claw remover is both sturdy and flexible, so you can navigate around curves without damaging the pipes. The brushes are designed with soft yet strong bristles that won't scratch the inside of your drains but still remove grime effectively. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or even a landlord looking for a low-maintenance solution to frequent clogs, this toolkit fits the bill. Use the metal remover for deep blockages, the plastic snakes for bathroom hair clogs, and the brushes for regular maintenance in sinks and overflows. You don't need any technical skills. Insert, twist, pull, and you're done. Imagine pulling out a clog from your kitchen sink in under a minute without having to call a plumber. That's real savings, both in time and money. These tools are also reusable, so you get long-term value from a single purchase. Using the kit is simple. For the metal claw, press the top to open the grabber, insert it into the drain, release to grab the clog, and pull it out. The plastic snakes are even simpler. Slide it in, rotate slightly to snag debris, and pull. For cleaning, rinse the tools with water and mild soap, dry them, and store them for next use. The brushes are perfect for weekly drain maintenance and can be used with or without cleaning agents. This isn't just another drain snake. It's a full system for tackling every stage of drain maintenance, from removing existing clogs to preventing new ones. The versatility, durability, and ease of use make it a standout. It's also made with eco-friendly materials, meaning you can avoid harsh chemical cleaners that damage your pipes and the environment. So if you're tired of slow drains or calling a plumber every month, the 35.5-inch drain clog remover and drain snake set is exactly what you need. Check it out today and see the difference a proper tool can make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Product Critique for more smart home solutions that actually work.